Hello everybody, my name is Joy-Anna and I am going to be talking to you about Wolsey Hall Tutor Support. Right at the beginning, when I first joined Wolsey Hall, we organised a Skype call so you could get to know them and you can see what they're like, they can see what you're like. Let me explain a bit about how Wolsey Hall and the tutors work. So first of all, you would log on to Canvas, which is the website that Wolsey Hall have to communicate with your tutors and also to download assignments, and all the resources are on there for learning. And then I print off an assignment. I complete it after I have studied the module for that assignment. I scan my assignment with an app, send it straight onto Canvas, and then my tutors will mark the work. So if I have any problems, I contact my tutor over Canvas. They always come back really quickly with loads of helpful information, for like a link, for example, to a website that will explain it better, or a link to a video that will explain it better. I'm also struggling to complete the assignment before the deadline. Just send them a really quick email saying I'm running a bit behind schedule, and they really encourage me to not rush my work, just take my time to understand it properly and then send it in. Quality work over just like rushed work. How quickly do tutors mark my work? It takes a minimum a few hours, maximum a week. I get an email notifying me when they have marked it and what my grade was. And then when the assignment comes back, they give me points for where I need to improve. You get a grade. Obviously this is vital to progress, so it's really important that you read what I've told you and take it into account. It usually has like little boxes where they've given you marks and where you haven't got marks. There's also a little thing underneath that saying reply, and you can type back a question that you have on that specific point. So I would say this benefits me because it helps me to improve and work, and also it makes me feel slightly less alone. So obviously when you're homeschooled, you're on your own and you don't have like teachers or like friends to ask or anything. So it's really helpful to have someone who's there that you can email if you're struggling or ask questions to. So I have received some really amazing help from one of my tutors. I was finding it really tough to do something and they spent loads of time with me to try and understand it. So thank you very much to that tutor. So yeah, your tutors really, like, it's really their mission to try and help you as best as they can. I think they're also kind, so caring. It's really nice to have someone who kind of feels like they know me and how I work. I hope you've enjoyed my video and it's been helpful to you. See you later. Bye!